In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Behance link to Facebook and Instagram. We'll go through the process in a simple and practical way so you can quickly make your portfolio easier to find on both platforms. This is especially useful if you want people visiting your social profiles to also discover your creative work on Behance. First, log into your Behance account. Make sure you're signed into the correct profile, since the link you copy needs to lead directly to your own portfolio page. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. Hover over it, then select Behance Profile. This will open your public Behance profile page. When that page loads, go to the address bar of your browser and copy the full URL. That is the link you'll be using on Facebook and Instagram, so it's important to copy it exactly as it appears. Now let's add that link to Facebook. Go to your Facebook profile and click Edit Profile. After that, scroll down a little until you see the left side panel. In that panel, find and click Links. Then select the option for websites, blogs, and portfolios. This will open two fields for you to fill in. In the first field, add a short description for the link. You can keep it clear and simple, like Behance Portfolio. In the second field, paste the Behance URL you copied earlier. Once everything looks correct, click Save. Next, let's do the same for Instagram. Go to your Instagram profile and tap or click Edit Profile. If you're using a mobile phone, you can paste your Behance link directly into the website field. That's the easiest and most direct option, since it gives your followers a dedicated clickable link. If you're editing your Instagram profile on desktop, keep in mind that adding website links may not be available there in the same way. In that case, you can place the Behance link in your bio instead and add a short label such as Behance Portfolio so people understand what the link is for. After you've added the link, scroll down and click Submit to save your changes. And that's it. Your Behance portfolio is now connected to your Facebook and Instagram profiles, making it much easier for people to view your work. Before you finish, it's a good idea to visit both profiles and check that the link appears properly and is easy to recognize.